Redmi A4 5G smartphone. It is available in variants 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage and 4GB RAM plus 128GB storage. It is available in colors sparkle purple and starry black. It comes with 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage. It features with large 6.88 inches screen size, 120 Hz refresh rate display with 600 nits peak brightness, 240 Hz touch sampling rate and TUV triple certified eye care protection. It has 50 megapixel dual camera and 5 megapixel front camera. Features Snapdragon 4S Gen 2, 5G processor, fast side fingerprint sensor and supports 4G plus 5G SA network. It comes with 5160 mAh battery with 18 watts fast charging support and 33 watts charger in box with USB Type-C. The box contains power adapter, USB cable and SIM tray ejector. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.